Sherry, we've talked about a number of benefits for suntheine, L-theanine. I understand there's a new study out on suntheine, L-theanine, and ADHD in children.
Yeah, that's right. ADHD, or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, is an increasingly common problem that affects children today. Researchers believe that there are a number of things going on. There are structural changes in the brain, disruptions in neurotransmitter levels or chemical messengers in the brain, and possible dietary and environmental factors that lead to children having struggles with learning, with cognitive function, and with behavior. And there was a new study that was done, and actually this was done by the Canadian Centre for Functional Medicine by Dr. Michael Lyon, and he looked at the ability of suntheanine to benefit children diagnosed with ADHD. And this was a rather large study of 100 children that had diagnosed ADHD. And what they found is that supplementing these children with 200 milligrams of suntheanine had some significant benefits. It actually helped to improve their hyperactive behavior, to improve their cognitive function, and very importantly, to improve sleep quality. A big concern with these children is that they don't get adequate sleep at night, especially if they're taking Ritalin or some of the psychostimulant drugs, which have a lot of side effects. And if children aren't able to get a good night's sleep, that can impact their behavior at school, and it can also impact their behavior at home. So I think the benefit in that suntheanine helped to improve cognitive function, reduce the hyperactive behavior, and improve sleep quality was very significant. You know, as a pharmacist, patients, mothers, fathers often come into me to see me in the pharmacy and ask me about some of the natural things they can do for children that have ADHD. I think there's a growing concern about the use of drugs such as Ritalin and some of these other psychostimulant drugs, because they really can have a negative impact on a child's appetite. They can cause weight loss, they can cause muscle twitching, they can cause sleep disturbances, upset stomach. And you know, I think it's really valuable that now we have a natural product that's been clinically tested and has very significant benefits with a good safety profile, and that we can offer this for families that are struggling with ADHD. I think this is some very significant findings.
And that's very important, what you've just gone over. I hope that people understand that one of the goals of iHealthTube is to help people get information, but also to have people have information they can share with other individuals who may be in the same circumstance, whether they're a parent or they're a sufferer of something that's going on. And we sure appreciate your contribution.
Well, thanks for having me.